back to Master Lognuts, and today we'll be doing Do You Even Stand, Bro? So let's get this thing started. It's really weird. Zoom in. Okay, let's see that jump, see the skills it can do. So as you see, you can catch this thing. This is, I think it cost over, well, I don't know. I actually don't remember, but this thing is really cool. You can spy on your parents. It has a HD camera and it can jump. That's really cool if you don't want to like pick it up, you know, yeah, pick it up. And so let's get this thing on the test. Stunt 1.
What a nice bush! Oh, stunt 2! Stunt 3, baby! Whoa. See you guys in the next video.